Welcome to the vast ocean, home to marine animals. In the vast ocean, a pod of orcas is on the hunt to their next meal. Their target, a seal. The orcas work together using incredible tactics to hunt their prey. Once the seal hits the water, the orcas drown it rather than biting it. This dramatic footage shows us the intelligence and teamwork of these top predators as they hunt for their prey. Thank you for your interest and for watching this video. Please like and follow us to discover more interesting things about animals on our planet.